Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.1 question 4 bit 14 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly we have in question number 4 bit 14. Moving to the question, it is given that which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. And the given number sequence is 1 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2 and so on. So let's see how we can solve this question. Solution. Here we need to find out if the below list of number forms an AP. If AP, then we need to find the common difference D and we need to also find the next 3 terms. Guys, the question is very simple. It is asking us to determine whether the given number series forms an arithmetic progression or not. If it forms an arithmetic progression, then only we are going to find out the next 3 terms. And guys, we very well know that for finding or determining whether the given number series forms an arithmetic progression or not, we need to find out the common difference among the consecutive terms. That's what we are going to do now. And the given number sequence is 1 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2. And guys, just we can write this number sequence as 1 to the power 2 as 1, 3 to the power 2 as 9, 5 to the power 2 as 25 and 7 to the power 2 as 49. Now putting the number sequence in a tabular form. Guys, I always prefer to put the number sequence in a tabular form so that it will help us in making the calculations without confusing among the numbers. For that purpose, I am preparing a 4-column table with 3 rows and naming first term to first cell, second term to second cell, third term to third cell, fourth term to fourth cell. Now putting the first value 1 under first term, 9 under second term, 25 under third term and the fourth value like 49 under fourth term. Naming A1 to first term, A2 to second term, A3 to third term and A4 to fourth term. Guys, we are naming A1, A2, A3, A4 respectively to each of these terms so that it would be easy for making our calculations and understanding the terms. Now we are going to find out the common difference D. So as usual, we are moving from the fourth term towards the first term. Now finding the difference between fourth term and third term, that is A4 minus A3 is equal to 49 minus 25, that is equal to 24. Similarly, difference between third term and second term, that is A3 minus A2, that is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. And further finding the difference between second term and first term, that is A2 minus A1, that is equal to 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8. So guys, we could see that we are not getting any common difference. The difference like we are getting 8, 16, 24, which is not same or consistent. Therefore, as there are no common difference among the consecutive numbers, hence this list does not form an arithmetic progression. Guys, we very well know if we do not get a common difference, then that list never forms an arithmetic progression. As the number sequence is not an AP, so finding the next 3 terms are not required. As per the question, if the number sequence does not form an arithmetic progression, we are not going to find the further 3 terms. Hope guys you understood this calculation. If you still have any questions or concerns, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. This will motivate me to prepare similar type of videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.